Everyone, this is Martin from howtomakemobilegames.com on March the 20th, 2018 here in Manchester, England, and I'm heading to work. So I thought I'd talk in this video a little bit about doing server-side functionality along with a Unity game, because it's something that I've been working on more recently, and it's sort of the first time I've been ever working on this kind of stuff, and it's really interesting, and I can see it being more of what I do with my personal apps and games in the future. And oh, by the way, before I go on, guys, I'm trying to figure out the best way to do these YouTube videos and get them. Oh God, I fucking hate you in a car. Thank you. Sorry about that. I'm trying to figure out how to do these YouTube videos best. So if you are seeing this as a preview on YouTube, all of these videos are available in the pro video section of the howtomakemobilegames.com forum. If you go to the top section there is you can subscribe, and it's $3 a month. There's 150 plus videos up there that I've done over the past couple of years. And yeah, I just wanted to let you know, because before I'd done some paid videos on YouTube, and I was trying to set them as cheap as I could, but the cheapest I could set them was like 0.49 cents, which is a lot just for one of these small videos, of course. And if you're watching them like every day or a few times a week, then that can be, quite expensive. So definitely go to the forum, guys. At the top section there, it's $3 a month. You can unsubscribe at any point as well, of course, but they'll always be there as well. So I think that's all I wanted to mention in these videos, because this is going to be a preview and it'll cut off in a couple of minutes or whatever. I'm just trying to figure out the best way, because I did have a pro YouTube channel which was like a subscription channel, but they cancelled subscription channels or paid channels at the beginning of 2018, which is a pain. That's, again, I'm always going on about keeping control and making sure that a company in the middle isn't in full control of your company, because if you fully relied on that YouTube subscription channel and then they close you down, it's game over. Oh, sorry, I'll change the fans a little bit. So yeah, I've been working on this Unity with server-side functionality, and it's basically a location-based app whereby you can see your friends and family or whoever on a map, and then click on them as a pinpoint and then message them. So it's like a tracking app, and I'm trying to decide where it's going to go in terms of, is it B2C or B2B? Is it going to be open and public? Is it going to be you can only see your friends and family? I might move away from the whole B2C thing, business to customer, because it's kind of like, I don't know, I think it's like trying to get blood from a stone when you ask people to pay for stuff. I know that you could go down the route of getting thousands of, say you get 100,000 people using it, that's obviously a dream. But if you get 100,000 people using it, then you can say to add companies, or you can say to companies, hey, you can advertise your cake shop in the map, and people can see it and they can click on it. Now that's a very volume based business model. You need the volume first, which is kind of like, that's like a long-term thing. It is quicker and easier to just get it on the store and have, like, do a B2C model, but I'm kind of thinking that maybe B2B is possible if there's companies out there that need to see where their staff are, for example, and they need to get in touch. Or I might go the B2C route, but perhaps have it as a subscription. But again, trying to get money from just regular people who use apps is very difficult, because they expect every single app for free. So I've still got to think about that. But yeah, developing the server side, anyway, that's